In today's society, children are sometimes overlooked and denied the most necessary essentials, and this version of container life architecture was designed to aid in the educational component of children. Not having a tangible, structural, safe place to learn is sometimes denied to these children. Living in third world countries can create this travesty, but this is an ideology that may help solve the problem. God bless the children. Let's look at the building, the container architecture that's going to house the children for schooling. It's a basic building, two containers that would allow the children to have a secure place to learn. You notice the rails on the door, and it's a pretty cool building. Here's a look at the interior of the building. Notice as we go in, you'll see the tables for the children rotating around. You see the ABCs on the wall, the blackboard, the teacher's desk in the front, the rails to protect from intruders. Another quick walkthrough, you'll notice the same things. It's a pretty small facility, but we're very confident with the outcome. Security is a major issue with these facilities. That's why we surrounded the school with a fence to help protect from animals and people. Here's the thing. A lot of these kids are forced to travel long distances to get to school. These are sometimes dangerous environments which have a lot of animals, uh, water, rocky places. And what we did here is we wanted to create a place where these children could have a safe place to learn with a functional bathroom. We wanted a place that can handle the weather. So we came up with this concept to help ensure that these kids are given an equal opportunity to learn in a structure that's both stable and safe. Being as though this material is pretty cheap, we can definitely make an impact on this part of the world and help the children get a better education and even a better way of life.